And then let's move on. Again, I'm drawing an house, then drawing away the road and the windows, then chimney. So trees has been drawn and the apple has been drawn inside the tree. So here's an apple tree. So let's put some shades to this plants and shade this sun with yellow and the green and apple. Let's move on. Again, I'm drawing a chimney and then an house and then a cloud type of window. Again, a way with a beautiful door structure and then a gate is been drawn. So here's a way and then I'm drawing a sun. So again, everyone knows house needs for every human beings for shelter. So here we are drawing house with ways and the plants and lot many. And here we are drawing a snow bee. So because snow doll, because it is in a Christmas season, so we are drawing Christmas tree and shading with a green color and shade the snow with a red color and a house with a pink color. So again I'm drawing an house and then I'm drawing a gate. So after that I'm drawing a way. You know everyone, house is beautiful and it is an important part for every human beings to stay in house. Let's draw some suns to shine my house more prettier. Put some shades to the suns and the house and the plants and an apple. So here are the some shades that has been shaded.